Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I am at Lake Avalon, and today I'm going to test this cool little lure. I'm not going to take my phone out there though, I'm going to just give you the input when I'm done. But hey, let's see what it takes to get this thing set up, and then we're going to go out and use a little sea kayak and use a little kayak and see what we can get on this beautiful lake. It's a handmade multi-jointed fishing lure, 5 inches long. It's got 8 segments, good for muskie and other big fish. We'll see what I can do out in this lake. I do know we've caught pike on this lake, so I'm interested to see what I can dig up on this glorious day. Alright friends, so here we have the lure tied on, and I'm ready to take the boat out and test it. You can see it does have some pretty cool action just when you wiggle it, so it'll be interesting to see what it is when we reel it in. My reel is just a simple one I snagged at Walmart. It's only $13, so we'll see how well it works as well. But it's kind of fun playing with these cool toys. And once again, in the beautiful lakes. Maybe I got a better shot at catching the ducks. Alrighty friends, well I just came back from out there. I did not have any success, but let me show you what I learned with the lure. I'll show you what kind of action we get as we bring it through the water, or at least as well as I can since it's just me and my tools. Alright friends, one of the best things about Lake Avalon is just how clear it is. And what that does is it lets me show you the kind of action you can get on this little lure. So let's see if we can get so that I can just drag it along. And if you can see that, all you gotta do is give it a little tug, and it snaps that tail around and makes it look like a live fish. I've got a little dude over here by the dock that's been swimming around with it. The only problem is my lure is about the same size as the little dude that keeps swimming by. But you can see that it is not hard to get it to have some sweet live action. And any fish not caught today, we're gonna blame it on me, my skills, and how busy this beautiful lake is. Alrighty friends, so once again, if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, or even a better place I should be fishing, let me know about it in the comments down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.